In this video, we'll go over managing basic information for a DDP on the DDP Detail page. To start this example, we'll run a DDP from an opportunity by clicking our Generate Documents button, selecting our Download Delivery option, and clicking Run. Immediately, we'll notice we're stopped with an error message indicating we need to select a contact in order to run the DDP. So let's go back and select a contact here, run this one more time, and we get our output document titled Sales Proposal. Now let's say our user requested some changes to the DDP. The user wants a more specific title for the output file, the ability to run the DDP without having to select a contact, a different name for the DDP, and the ability to attach a document in the Notes and Attachments section of the opportunity record. We can easily make these changes by navigating back to our Sales Proposal DDP over here and clicking Edit. Since the user just wants the DDP to be titled Sales Proposal, we'll go in and delete the year. For the output file name, the user wants a title specific to the object we're running from. So let's add for, and then the field tag opportunity name. As long as the objects are related, information can be dynamically brought in from objects by taking field tags from the field tagger and adding them to the output file name. We'll also uncheck the contact selection required box, so the user will no longer be forced to choose a contact on the Visual Force page when the DDP is run. Then over here, we'll check the Allow Attachments box. This will display a list on the DDP Run page of any documents in the Notes and Attachments section of the record type object that the user may want to include in the DDP. If we checked this Require Attachments box, the user would be required to include at least one document from the Notes and Attachments section. Once we're satisfied with our changes, we'll click Save. Now when we go back to our opportunity, we can see here the name of the DDP has been changed from Sales Proposal 2015 to just Sales Proposal. We now have the option to attach documents related to the opportunity, so if we want to include this document, we simply click the checkbox next to it. And now the user is no longer required to select a contact, so if we leave the drop-down menu selected on None, choose the delivery option, and run our DDP, we see we're no longer stopped and forced to choose a contact in order to run the DDP. And lastly, the opportunity name was dynamically pulled into our output file name via our field tag. To learn more about managing DDP details, visit our support site for further information.